Hi, and welcome to 2018 Halloween assortment. We're so excited to show you our brand new themes. We've expanded the Day of the Dead from last year, and we've added several more. So get ready.
So here's our wonderful Dia de los Muertos collection.
Oh, don't you love it this year? Look at the color. It's absolutely amazing. This is our wearable section of the Day of the Dead. The colored skirts, the headbands with the veils, and of course all the masks. This year we did something brand new. We did a Mr. and Mrs. For example, here's our Mrs. and here's our Mr. This section is terrific because we've added a lot of solid color. We've got solid color flowers and the roses and the marigolds, and we've got these luscious velvet pumpkins. They're absolutely fabulous, and they totally complement, together with the ribbon, the whole Day of the Dead assortment. We can't leave the Day of the Dead section without talking about these figurines. They're absolutely fabulous. Look at the detail. This is the musical section. Then we have the bride and groom. They're fabulous. They're absolutely fabulous. They're collectibles that you're going to keep for years.
So we've expanded on our A Liberty His collection, and more than just banners, we also have them in figurines. We can't leave without showing you guys this new amazing item. I mean, papel picado for decorations for your Day of the Dead party, your Day of the Dead altar. I mean, this is amazing.
Witches and haunted houses are an expansion this year. We've got the witches, lots of stripes, lots of lime green, purple, orange, and of course black. These pillows are magnificent, the magic pillows. All the light up haunted house pieces. Light up bottles, light up candles, light up tombstones. We love this section. And these, aren't they magnificent in this new finish? We love them. This one I'm so excited about. It's all about jewel skulls, like real jewel skulls. These are beautiful skulls, all pictured with all the different jewels. And then we have these amazing glass ombre skulls. Look at the colors, all complete with matching tableware. Look at this. Oh, and we have charger plates. They're a charger plate and they've got the jeweled skull on top of them. I don't know whether it's a color, whether it's the flocking, whether it's the candelabras or the lanterns or the skulls in the rich blood velvet. I don't know what it is, but people so far are gravitating towards this one. What's really exciting about this is when you're doing a table, you need some accessories for your table. So each of your place settings can have one of these great gifts, or you can make a centerpiece bouquet out of the candy. It matches, it all coordinates, people love it. We can't leave blood velvet without talking about more light up items. These great little bottles are light up. Won't they be magnificent on your table? Or this whole ensemble of velvet and sequins.
So the next thing we're going to talk about is the wonderful vintage Carnival with the new beautiful oil slick, all matching party set. And then we also have these wonderful, amazing oil slick skulls. I mean, look at that detail. And now we also move on over to Iridescent, which is another new finish to match the oil slick in the chargers. Also in the matching tumblers. And you also have it in the matching skull. I mean, look at that detail. It's amazing, right? Okay, now imagine to put all your vintage Carnival theme together, you can't forget the wonderful candy kebabs. I mean, especially look at this wonderful cookie. Look at the detail on that. I mean, what's a party without a cookie, right?
And of course, we can't forget the kids. Everything this year has to have detail, whether it's glitter detail, googly eye detail, die cut detail. This one, of course, has got the candy to match. We've got the monster pops. Wouldn't they make great gifts at your table for your kids? At $99 only, we're all about masks. Look at the value here. Amazing. The majority of these masks are 99 cents. incredible value. There's glitter, there's gems, there's sequins. We really have everything. So if you want a mask, we're the place to come.
So we can't forget skeletons and skulls, guys. I mean, look at this wonderful $1.99 fossil dog. And to go along with it, I mean, we also have this vulture. I mean, look at the size of these things, guys. $1.99, amazing. And then we also have caged crows, piranhas. This is a Halloween favorite, of course, all the hanging skeletons. I mean, you get chains, skeletons in the coffin. I mean, 99-cent, 24-inch skeletons. That's a deal. And of course, we can't forget our wonderful, wonderful full collection of dressed skeletons. All for 99 cents. So pretty much everything you need for your haunted house this year, guys, all right here.
Well, thank you very much for joining us. This has been a terrific behind the scenes sneak peek of what 99 Only is going to have for Halloween 2018.